வணக்கம். Money means what money does. There are so many different types of currencies. Here we are going to see what is fiat currency. Fiat money. In China, during the Tang dynasty 618 to 907, there was a high demand for metallic currency. This demand for metallic currency created a seed for the origin of fiat currency. Fiat money originated from China in the 10th century, mainly in the Yuan, Tang, Song, and Ming dynasties. Government issued fiat money banknotes were used first during the 11th century in China. The people were familiar with the use of credit notes and they readily accepted pieces of paper and paper drafts. Paper money became the only legal tender in the Yuan dynasty during 1276 to 1367. The issuing of notes was conferred to the Ministry of Finance during the Ming dynasty in 1368 to 1644. During the Song dynasty, that is 960 to 1276, there was a booming business that led to a shortage of copper money. During this period, traders started issuing private notes and converted by a monetary reserve. It was considered to be the first legal tender. The West started using the paper money in the 18th century. Fiat money started to prominent during the 20th century. Shall we see the meaning of fiat money? Fiat means a formal authorization or proposition, that is, a decree by government. The decree is an official order that has the force of law. Its value is purely by an official law and order. Fiat money, in a broad sense, refers all kinds of money that are made legal tender by a government decree or fiat. Fiat money is a government issued currency that is not backed by a commodity such as gold or silver, but backed by the issuing government. Most modern paper currencies such as US dollar, Indian rupees are fiat currencies. Traditionally, currencies were backed by physical commodities such as silver and gold, but fiat money is based on the credit worthiness of the issuing government. Fiat money is a currency that lacks intrinsic value and is established by government regulation. It was introduced in an alternative to commodity money. Commodity money is having its own intrinsic value, and representative money. Representative money is like this fiat money. Fiat money gives central banks greater control over the economy because they can control how much money is printed. The value of fiat money depends on supply and demand. As fiat money is not backed with any asset, respective country's central bank has greater control over the supply and value. Normally, all the currencies are fiat currencies and there are no existing currencies backed by commodities. We will meet in the next video with an interesting concept. Thank you.